Welcome to my class of mathematics, my beloved learners. Today we are looking at the question that you are able to see on the chalkboard. And this is equation, okay? So the question says, solve the equation 4x squared is equals to 9x. So how can we solve this particular equation that we are given? Okay, so you know the rules that you are supposed to apply, things to follow when solving the equation. Remember, in mathematics, there is always some concept that you're supposed to follow to every topic that is in there. So in this case, we are looking at equation. So the other thing that you should not forget is that we have got different types of equation. So this one that we have today is one of them. Okay, so when you look at this particular equation, this equation has got a power which is more than 1. Okay, so this can be referred to quadratic equation because of that same power. Okay, it's very important to identify the type of question that you are dealing with if you are to get it correctly. Okay, so now for this one, we are going to say 4x squared. So the first thing that we are going to do in this case is to just correct the like terms. Okay, though they are not really like terms, but we need to bring them this side. Okay, so the other side we can just remain with a 0. So what we are going to do here is 9 on this side. Where the 9 is, that is positive. So the moment it just crosses an equal sign, it becomes what? A negative number. So it will be negative 9x, then equals. So if you have removed 9x from this side, what have we remained with? We have remained with a 0. So you have to indicate that 0. This is the 0 that we are talking about. Then from there, what next? The next step there is just to factorize. We need to look for a common factor. And that particular common factor is going to be factored out. It will be out. So when you look at 4x squared minus 9x, what is common there is just x. There's x there. Here there is x. Even here there is x. So that x will be outside. Then we open the bracket. Okay? So when you say x into 4x squared, the answer will be 4x. Then x into negative 9x. The answer will be what? Negative what? 9. Okay. Then we close. Equals 0. Okay. So after you have factorized, what next? You have now to do what? To just get the one which is outside there. You equate with the what? Is you just get x is equals to what? 0. Then you say or. So it's one of the answers. Okay, x is equals to 0 according to the question that you are given. Okay, then you say or, because there's no why you are saying or, because we have another option where you say now 4x minus 9, we equate to the same 0 is equals to 0. Okay, then from there you say 4x is equals to, here we can correct the like terms where you say 0, then this negative 9 will cross an equal sign and it will become what? A positive one. Okay, so it is going to be plus 9. Then from there, you bring down 4x is equals to 0 plus 9. The answer is 9. Then since we want to solve for x, what do we do? Okay, we are going to divide by 4 both sides. Okay, so that this side we can remain with what? X. Even this side 4. So this one and this one will divide each other, and we are just going to remain with x is equals to. Then this one we can say 2 into 9. How many times? 2. Then remainder what? Remainder 1 over what? Over 4. We have a 4 there. And therefore, this is another value of x according to the question. So this particular question had 2 what? Answers. Thank you for following my steps. Okay. See you in the next class.